Good morning to all. My name is Samiksha, and I teach as an assistant professor in Patna Women's College, Patna. And here I would like to, it's not a feedback, I think I would like to share what I felt during attending this workshop because I think it was a fantastic experience because I'm really grateful to the whole team and especially Nasir Ali sir because the way he taught us and he actually made us more relevant to the topic, like we're living in a pandemic period during corona, and the whole education system is based on the digital thing. So I think he has made everything for all of us who have attended the seminar, sorry, the workshop, very easy. So whatever I have learned, I have practiced it practically. And one most important thing that I would like to share, that in this workshop we were doing everything simultaneously. We were not only listening, we were doing it in a practical term. And the best part was that sir involved us in the workshop. So as we learned the Google Docs, the Google Slides, the Google Forms, so I think here I would like to mention that we actually learned to create quiz through Google Forms. So what I did, that I created for my own students and I sent them, and I get great response. So it gives you motivation, it gives you a lot to do, you know or a lot more digital work, and it relates to the younger generation because obviously, I mean, we will be doing everything digitally right now. So I would like to thanks a lot to Nasir Ali sir, and thank you for actually being so patient with all of us and solving all the queries. And actually, in the duration of the solving the queries, we got a lot of answers of our own. Like sometimes we think and we don't ask. We actually become apprehensive of it, but then I am really happy, and I think I am looking forward to a lot of workshops that you and your team organizes, and I'm really thankful and great. Thank you so much.